Hello guys, this is the third part of the how to make a diamond shape, and in this part I will be welding the parts that I had cut in the previous part. I will be using TIG welding for doing this welding job, and the machine that I'll be using is EWM Tetrix. Before starting the welding, make sure that the parts are cleaned, because any dirt or oil in the metal will make the welding porous and also causes lots of smoke and bubbles during the welding. For cleaning, I have used acetone and wiped all the parts. For the initial tacking, I am using the masking tape to temporarily make the shape and hold all the parts together. In this way I don't have to measure the angles and do all the measuring bit. And I also haven't got any kind of jig or fixture to join this together, so I have to improvise. Electrode 1.6 mm, and the amperage will be 40 amps, and I'm also using foot pedal for getting the variation in the amperage. That's the top half of the diamond all tacked up, and now I will repeat the same process with the bottom half, and take some masking tape to hold the rest of the parts together, make a temporary shape and start tacking up. All the tacking up is done, and I have got the final shape, and anything that needs adjusting could be done right now, because after this they'll be welded permanently. To prevent any distortion in the metal, I'm doing around ½ inch run of welds, and then moving on to the farthest possible area from the weld to do the other run to prevent any kind of distortion. It is very important that the metal don't get super hot at a single area, otherwise it will lose its shape. I have kept moving on from one area to another to avoid any distortion, and it is also good practice to run away from the welding and let the part cool down for a bit, and then start again. That's all the welding done, and it's not the prettiest of the welds that I've done, but this will do. All of the welds will be blended in to look like there is no welding done, and I hope you enjoyed the part. The next part I will be blending the welds and do the buffing and polishing and make it shine like a diamond. Thank you for watching, and I will be with you in the next part. Thank you.